They know it. They know it. They know it.
Burn them all, miss.
Brothers. 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 It's your favorite eye. New statues on my mind. New righteous, that's my kind. My word, yeah, that's my bond. You who, that's my one. Another day of my check. I thank y'all, then I stretch. I'm stepping out my best. Just in case it's the one. Them statues on my mind. New righteous, that's my kind. My word, yeah, that's my bond. You who, that's my one. Another day of my check. I thank y'all, then I stretch. I'm stepping out my best. Just in case it's the one. Pulled up from the back, yeah, but you ain't really gotta ask, yeah. Hold the words like a tack, yeah. Opinions never be the fact, yeah. They really thinking I'm a fool, yo. Fan of y'all, want cool, yo. From the road, but it's smooth, yo. Make a still body move, yo. Wickedness make me puke. Run through a devil on juke. This one and horn, not a two. Make devils blue like I'm Duke. These statues over stats, man. I'm getting mine on the back end. You know a stranger getting taxed, man. The devil can't do jack, man. Haters talking that woo-woo. On set time, now I'm cool. Honoring these feast days. Got a fresh fringe on the new. Out the bowl on twist up. That set apart, do assist us. This house need a little fix up. Brought a tool belt for the fix up. Tribulation on this long route. My enemy in my own house. Armored up, won't see something. Don't start nothing, won't be nothing. Team ran out of cap space. A service contract maxed out. A line sold can't tarry. So we had to bring them facts out. Them statues on my mind. New righteous, that's my kind. My word, yeah, that's my bond. You who, that's my one. Another day of my check. I thank y'all, then I stretch. I'm stepping out my best. Just in case it's the one. Them statues on my mind. New righteous, that's my kind. My word, yeah, that's my bond. You who, that's my one. Another day of my check. I thank y'all, then I stretch. I'm stepping out my best. Just in case it's the one. Them statues on my mind. New righteous, that's my kind. My word, yeah, that's my bond. You who, that's my one. Another day of my check. I thank y'all, then I stretch. I'm stepping out my best. Just in case it's the one. Them statues on my mind. New righteous, that's my kind. My word, yeah, that's my bond. You who, that's my one. Another day of my check. I thank y'all, then I stretch. I'm stepping out my best. Just in case it's the one. Yeah.
Shabbat Shalom, Yasharal. Shabbat Shalom. I pray all is well. We're going to go read chapter 76 of Psalms. I want to remind you what is going on. And that is the same battle that's been going on for thousands of years. Just like Elijah battled the 450 Baal priest and Jezebel, the same battle's happening right now. That's why you see the shortage of baby formula and the abortion law, the leaked document or whatever coming from the Supreme Court about them overturning Roe versus Wade, and the Johnny Depp divorce, the story about the guy, the bailiff, helping the murderer escape jail. It's all designed by the enemy, but like always, all things are done for Abba Yahuwah's will. So either way, everything is by design, and you need to, just like a watchman is to watch. Therefore, everyone who has their ears turned on needs to be attentive and aware of what is happening around them, and understand that they are beating the war drums. Their plan that they have, they give us a preview of it on the image of the beast. That's how they lay the foundation for what they're doing. I mentioned before that the town of Odessa in that country that's being overtaken, they're putting giving it extra attention and coverage on the news because it is known as Southern Palmyra, where I'm sure a lot of innocent little children's lives were taken there. That's what this whole thing is about. If you look and read all through Psalms, all through a majority of the scripture, you're going to see the common theme that plays out over and over throughout the Bible. And that is the children of the Most High, who He rescued and saved with His outstretched arm out of Mitzrayim, turned on Him, turned their back on Him, and went whoring, committing spiritual adultery. But it's so much more than that. Deceiving the Most High with evilness and pride, serving themselves and their own sick lust and desires. The Most High is cleaning us up, those of us whose ears are turned on and their understanding of the Word is priority numero uno. If you believe that this is not a time of significance, if you think this is just like any other time and your life is just a normal life and you'll just get through it without any sort of relevance to the scripture, then what kind of faith do you have? You need to understand that what they're showing on the image, just like they did with the cobra vampire, they're showing you what's going to take place in the not so distant future, right here on the shores and on the land of the not so free. Yes, it is. Let's go to chapter 76. And if you can't see that, then you need to turn your ears on and take your shades off. In Yehuda, the Most High is known. His name is great in Yasharal, and His booth is in Shalum, and His dwelling place in Sion. There He broke the arrows of the bow, and the shield and the sword and the battle axe. Salah. You see, he's telling you, this is a roadmap, just like I've been saying. He's showing you where you will find protection. You are resplendent, meaning splendid, more excellent than mountains of prey. The stout-hearted have been stripped. They slept their sleep, and none of the mighty men have found their hands. At your rebuke, O my Most High of Jacob, both the rider and horse lay stunned. You see, this is all speaking about of war. You are to be feared, and who would stand in your presence when you are displeased? From heaven you shall cause judgment to be heard. The earth shall fear and shall be still, when the Most High arises to right ruling, to save all the meek of the earth. Salah. For the wrath of mankind praises you. With the remainder of wrath, you gird yourself. Make vows to Yahuwah, your Most High, and pay them. Let all who are around him bring presents to the one to be feared. He cuts off the spirit of leaders. He is awesome to the sovereigns of the earth. How do you suppose you can bring presents to the one to be feared? If only our faith would be counted unto us as righteousness, then the only thing that would be a gift that we could give to the Most High would be our faith, by acts of our faith. If you have faith and you're not just full of shit, you will be walking like Abraham in faith, getting ready and dressed for the occasion. Don't get cold feet right before the wedding bells ring. It's right around the corner, Mishpachah. We should be doing all we can to get ready. I love you. Shabbat Shalom. These out.